Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Pixel, plug it into power and connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network. Back up your photos and app data to Google Drive so nothing is lost. Make sure there's at least 5 GB of free storage. If not, clear large files or uninstall unused apps. Once done, open Settings and navigate to System. This gets you directly into the update path so you can start the download immediately. You'll check for the update in Settings right arrow system update. Tap Check for Update and let the phone download the package. While it downloads, keep other apps closed to conserve memory and make sure the device stays on Wi-Fi. When the download finishes, choose Install Now. The Pixel will restart and apply the update automatically. This process can take several minutes, so be patient and let the installer complete all steps without powering. You finish by checking Settings right arrow about phone to confirm the new Android version and security patch level. Then open key apps to verify they run correctly. If an app misbehaves, clear its cache or reinstall it. This often resolves post-update glitches. If the update fails or the phone won't boot, reboot into safe mode and try the update again, or perform a cache partition wipe. These steps recover corrupted installs without erasing personal data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.